This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Tesla app and Waze must be on the same phone, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, and Waze granted location and background permissions. Once done, unlock the car and open the Tesla Bluetooth menu on the car screen. Put the phone on the center console so it stays connected. This improves audio routing. Pair the phone if it isn't already. Select the car name on your phone and confirm the PIN on the Tesla. This begins the communication pathway between apps. Next, you prepare the route transfer and audio. In Waze, enter the destination and try the share command. Some phones show an option to send to the car. Use it when available. If the direct send isn't present, long press the address, copy it, then paste into the Tesla navigation search box. Make sure your phone's audio output is set to Bluetooth media and phone calls so Waze voice guidance plays through the car speakers. This ensures navigation and spoken prompts are routed correctly. Finally, you confirm the transfer and finish setup. Start navigation in the Tesla to verify the route and match Waze. If you pasted an address, initiate the drive so the car computes guidance. Make sure both Tesla and phone software are current and restart the apps if you don't hear Waze voice guidance. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, forget and repair the device, or try a USB data cable for a more stable connection. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.